Hey, today I'm gonna unboxing a special microphone. Its model is Boya Microphone. It's a budget-friendly and widely used microphone. It contains long wire, so you can use this from a long distance. A noise-proof cover is provided with the main microphone. You can use this microphone in your camera, in your phone, and also in laptop, but you have to change the mode according to the necessity. It requires a battery for camera and laptop, but for phone it doesn't need any battery. In package you will get a converter and a battery. You can justify its authenticity through using this QR code in Boya's website. You also will get a nice pouch to carry it. Thanks for watching.